Welcome to Bachelor's Concept. Today we unlock two powerful tools in probability, Bayes' theorem and the law of total probability. Both help us update beliefs when new evidence arrives, and both appear everywhere from medical tests to spam filters. Start with conditional probability. The probability of A given B is written P of A given B. It equals the probability that both A and B happen divided by the probability of B. This rescales the world to only the cases where B is true. Now the law of total probability. If events B1 and B2 split the whole sample space, then the probability of A equals P of A given B1 times P of B1 plus P of A given B2 times P of B2. We sum across every path that leads to A. Here comes Bayes' theorem. It flips the conditional. The probability of B given A equals P of A given B times P of B, all divided by P of A. The numerator weighs the evidence, and the denominator normalizes across all possibilities. Let's try a quick example. 1% of people have a disease. A test is 99% accurate. If you test positive, what is the probability you actually have the disease? Use the law of total probability to find P of positive, then plug into Bayes. The surprising answer is only about 50% because the disease is rare. This is why Bayes matters. It combines the prior, the likelihood, and the evidence to give the true posterior belief, not the gut reaction. To recap, the law of total probability sums every path to an event, and Bayes' theorem flips conditionals to update beliefs. Master these two, and probability problems become much clearer. Thanks for watching Bachelor's Concept.